guys, this is Mel here, and on this week's vlog we're going to be doing a couple things. So for today we're going to be headed over to my boy's shop. His name is Alex. He has a S14 and he recently lost compression, I believe it was. He lost compression on some of his cylinders, so he's going to do a full rebuild. I believe that today we're going to be helping him taking out the engine, so let's have a little fun with that. Alright, so I'm going to be driving the WRX to show you guys. I haven't driven this car in like forever. I haven't driven stick in like forever, matter of fact, so definitely gonna have a little fun with it. So Mike recently put the car back to completely stock because I believe he's gonna get rid of it. Ooh. Wow, that brake feels very hard. I don't like this stock. Ooh. I should probably put my seatbelt on though. Ah, this is disgusting. Alright, I really don't like this car stock. He put the stock shifter back on and I honestly hate it. Ugh. Disgusting. Ooh. I also don't want you guys thinking that I do my makeup just to work on cars. I just got back from hanging out with one of my friends, so that's why I look like this, and I am not going to take the makeup off just to like work on cars. That's kind of stupid. So I'm just gonna keep it on and go work on cars like this, cause fuck it. I got a camera now. Huh? Yeah. Alright guys, we're here.
So,
I can't see you. There you go.
I'm Alex. This is my 240. That's blown up, so I gotta rebuild it. A blown up SR in it. It's a NAT build actually. That's about to get a 2.2 stroker.
Well, damn. What have you done to it? Like, have you taken anything off yet?
No, not really. It just got here, so.
Can you still turn it on?
Nah, battery's dead, so.
Bruh.
Battery charger.
I wanted to see what it sounded like.
Like shit.
Hey, look, it's me.
Yeah, there's a Mel and there's like a bunch of other people.
I'm trying to get started on this man's car, and I asked him, how's your kit put on? And because I want to jack up the car, right? This man's like, barely. Just has one fucking zip tie holding on the whole side skirt.
Because when you're driving and the door's closed, it does not matter. It's not flying off.
That's not okay, man.
It's not flying off. Here, these are really cold. So it's not flying off. It's okay. It lasted that long. Look, I mean, it's like still there.
Barely. Yo, this knife kind of sucks, dude. There you go. Ta-da! Side skirt off. Quick release side skirt. This is how we're draining the oil.
Just said I just got here. Give me a second.
Oh yeah, by the way, we're also doing this with no freaking tools.
Look, like I said, just got here.
Look at this 14. Where's the 14 that I was holding? I think you took it.
No. I got a 13 in my hand. It's definitely still on the floor.
Oh, yeah. Peep this. Rusty as hell. this is like, hold it back. Yeah, pull it back. There you go. Oh, that's your underglow?
Yeah. I have like no other real place to stick it.
That's disgusting.
Oh, so it might be like a head gasket. Let's see.
Bro, grab the camera. Please. Look at this. That's fucking disgusting, dude.
Whatever.
It's fucking disgusting.
Whatever. Get out of here. So there's 2 routes I could go. I can either go Tome with this. Well, 3 routes. I can go either MazWorks, Tome, or HKS. So far. So.
I want to see. Alright guys, we're making pretty good progress. Yeah. That's everything I've taken off. What have you taken off?
The turbo manifold's loose, okay? Look, that's like a whole mission. Anybody with SR knows that this is a mission.
Alright, I'm sorry.
So, like, KA people don't know anything about this, okay?
Alright, so we're done for today. Pretty much everything's disconnected. The only thing that's left to do is, what was it?
Motor mounts, fuel lines, and this thing rate hold.
Basically, dumb shit.
Yeah.
We did this pretty fast though. It was like, what, an hour?
An hour, for sure.
Literally an hour of work. It was definitely.
You did most of it, low-key. You did most of it.
It was low-key better than when I took off my K though. But I mean, there is less stuff, somewhat less stuff than there is in my car.
I mean, that's a motor swap, so whoever did it did a decent job, but it's definitely like a lot of stuff missing.
Yeah.
Especially since it's like an SE body, for sure there's like a lot of stuff missing.
I'm hot. I'm kind of bored now. There's nothing else to do.
Food.
There's literally nothing else to do.
Yeah, no, really.
I was expecting to be home like at 10. I was like, yeah, Mike, I'm gonna be home like at 10, sorry. I'm gonna take your car for a pretty long time, because I brought Mike's car, like I said. I brought the WRX, because my truck isn't fucking insured or under my name yet, so I was like, you know what, I'm not driving an hour unregistered. So I took his car, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna be home like at 10. Cap. What time is it? 7:27. You told me to be here when?
Like, I told you 7, but then I texted you like a little earlier, and I was like 5:30.
You told me yesterday to be here at 7.
And then I was like, all right, I'm gonna go early, and then
I went and did what I had to do, and then you texted me like at 6.
Yeah, I was like, yo.
No, I got here at 6. I got here at 6.
Yeah, and then like.
Started working at like 6:20. So pretty much an hour and 10 minutes it took us to do all this.
If we had everything, we probably would have been like done in 2 hours for sure.
We literally could have taken the engine out today if you had the
hoist.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh well.
But you fucked up.
Look, it's like right across the street, but those guys are not there, and I don't have a key to that shop, so I can't go over there.
When are you gonna take it out then?
I'm gonna ask him tonight, see if he can come over here tomorrow, and then I'll probably.
So am I coming here tomorrow to help you?
I'll let you know. It depends on what he's doing, cause he's still doing Adam's cars.
Oh, he has Adam's LC's cars over there?
He has well, he doesn't have his cars over there, but he's over there in Mims doing like all the glass. Yeah, so S15 right now is getting like all the glass. Sorry, Adam, for ruining all your shit. Sorry, bro, but.
Like he'll ever watch my fucking videos.
They might come across you and be like, how the fuck did they know? Be like, yo, we from Florida, you feel me? That's all.
Oh, we're not supposed to know?
I don't know. He hasn't released it yet. I mean, he hasn't released the color yet.
Okay, so they're doing a different color to the car, but.
Well, he hasn't shown it yet in any of his videos, but of course it is the same color that the engine bay is, which is green.
Oh, you're talking about the S14?
No, it's S15 that he's building, the one he just got tuned by Martin.
Oh, the other. Yeah, I fucking posted a tweet about that. Yeah. Literally, like, I posted a tweet about that. Hold up. I need to find it, because it's funny. Like, I don't have anything against Martin or anything. I just, like, I don't think he's a good tuner for SRs or KAs. Like, VQs, I understand. Pop, bang, tune. Go for it. Knock yourself out. But
I mean, he's been pretty good to me, though.
Pretty good to... Hold up. Who tuned that car?
I mean,
no. Who tuned that car?
Martin,
what did I tell you? What did I tell you? I literally saw this man taking his car to Z Fever, and I was like, I'll give it a week before it blows up. What are we doing right now? What are we doing right now? Please.
Okay, never mind.
Alright, like I said, nothing against him. For pop bangs and flames, go to him, but when it comes to these shits, do not. If you want a good tuner, go to Trilogy. Hit him up on Instagram. Has the fastest KA at 9 seconds with, I believe, stock cams. Anyways, he has a record for it, and I'll definitely tag him down below so you guys can check him out if you want a good tuner. Hey, hold up. I'm gonna show you guys the tweet when it loads, because it doesn't want to load.
Yep.
Adam posted this, right? And then I quoted to it. Man, give me a goddamn signal. Alright, anyways, Adam posted that, right? And then I quoted, I recognize Sea Fever anywhere. All I know is that if he got tuned there, there will be a knock-knock joke coming soon. Because that's Sea Fever. And then everybody was like, yeah, that's like the worst tuner in Tampa. He's not a bad tuner, guys. It's just not meant for our cars. Literally, it's called Sea Fever for a reason. Not 240. I mean, technically there is a 240Z, but not these engines though, not these. All right, guys, so we're done for today. I'm probably gonna be sanding my car this weekend, so I'm not gonna put that in this video, but I'm gonna wait until the other one. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of me and Alex just taking shit off his engine, and we didn't even get to pull it.
There's a 1J over here.
Oh shit, there's a 1J?
Yeah.
Alright, hold up. I'll do the outro in a second. We need to see the 1J. Ooh. Ooh.
Yo, this is my dog, B-Rad. Check him out. Even on the valve cover.
RB over 1J. RB over Jay-Z.
I mean,
RB over Jay-Z. RB over Jay-Z.
But this thing's gonna be rowdy.
Nah, this thing is gonna be fucking sick.
We just can't wait. Coming soon.
Come on, Brad.
Look, his pop stays right there, like say cloud. That's what his car was.
Listen, man. You gotta take a little bit more like care of this thing. Like, come on, man. All right, guys. Try number 2 of this outro. So, thank you guys for watching this quick little video of me and Alex pulling stuff off his engine. We couldn't really get to pull it out today because this man was not prepared. By the way, this man made me fucking work on this with no tools. So, pretty much had to steal the old guy's tools in order to do what I had to do.
It worked though, did it not? It worked. You feel me? So like, anybody got anything to say, we got most of it done, you feel me?
Catch you guys either tomorrow or the next video, so bye guys!
See ya, all you K people that like all that other stuff and not SR.
Goodbye.